When we talk about road safety, what's the number one thing drivers must be able to do in their truck? Stop it. CityNews has been looking at how truckers are trained, and in today's story, we examine drivers' knowledge of their braking system, which industry professionals tell us is an issue.
When we have a loaded transport truck plowing into the back of stop traffic, the outcome is going to be devastating.
Yet, most trucks that are taken off the road have brake defects. John Beaudry says it highlights a need for improved training and testing standards.
The A is a license to drive the truck. The Z allows you to operate a vehicle that's equipped with air brakes.
Beaudry's truck driving school has its students tested at a drive test center to obtain that Z endorsement. But some schools and carriers have authority from the Ministry of Transportation to sign off without ever having a third party test their students.
I think it's something that really needs to be looked at.
Kim Richardson has been in the truck training business for more than 30 years.
We had a student that come to our facility that attended a 12-hour program and told us right out that he was there for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and still got his certificate.
The Ontario Truck Driving School says the problem is not the signing privileges, but a lack of ministry oversight to ensure signing authorities are pumping out students properly.
I audit each and every course, so I can safely say that my signing authorities are doing a very good job. I'd like to say that every signing authority or every safety association has that. I'd like to say that, but I don't know if I can.
Is this a public safety issue?
Statistics don't lie.
Figures from the Commercial Vehicle Safety Alliance show 38% of trucks failed inspections in a Canada-wide blitz last year because of brake-related violations.
They're not allowed on the road because they're just deemed to be totally unsafe.
We met Beaudry and one of his longtime instructors at the King City OnRoute. I actually have a trainer with me, where we asked commercial drivers how they check their brakes before hitting the road. Even some who've spent decades on the highways could use a refresher.
You bring it down to the 60 pounds.
Governor cut in, he said 60.
Sorry, that's for your
Low air.
Low air.
It's actually no less than 55. If you don't know the proper numbers, you don't know what you're looking for.
Then there were others who admitted to us,
I guess you should be marking measuring the rods every time, but I don't. It's pointless. You can't see anything when it's all covered in slush.
He doesn't do what he has to do. It is a problem.
We get seasoned drivers that need to come in for air brake refresher. They have trouble knowing where to start.
Good luck on your test.
Every 5 years, drivers must pass a knowledge test taken at a drive test center to maintain the air brake endorsement on their license. Now, Ontario is considering introducing online learning modules as an alternative to the knowledge test that eventually could be done from home.
Print off proof that you did the learning module, take it to the drive test center with you, and they'll give you your Z back.
It's a proposal the Private Motor Truck Council of Canada told the province has the real opportunity of reducing safety on our roadways.
Adding the learning modules, if you want to add them, I have no issue. Removing verification that you have that knowledge, I have a major issue with.
The learning modules would be introduced in a phased approach, so it would be at least a couple of years before drivers could take them at home. Comments on the province's proposal are open until the 16th. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.